How to recover cheese.com account. Hi everybody. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure to recover your cheese.com account. So basically, what here you need to do is open your Google Chrome and type in cheese.com support. Press on the first link that comes, after which it's going to take you to this field. So here, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom and then you could find this contact button. You could go ahead and tap on it. So likewise, I'm going to go for the account section and then you want to scroll down a bit. If you cannot find this option that we are looking for, you could then go ahead and type in a recover account. So once you type in recover account, then you just need to scroll down and look for the following options available. So you could also see how can I activate my account. You could go ahead and read that out. You want to scroll down and then you just need to go ahead and tap on contact support team. This is where you can go and contact them. Now, what here you need to do is next thing, you need to go ahead and click on contact support once again. And you have these virtual assistant, right? So click on get started, type in your message, what is the issue, and they will be able to provide you with the solution. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.